Are you stuck wondering why some creators explode overnight while others stay invisible? Let's talk about the 5 stages every content creator. Stage 1, the dreamer. You are filled of ideas, excitement, and passion, but nothing is live yet. You are planning, researching, and imagining your future audience. Most people get stuck here dreaming about what could be instead of taking the first step. Stage 2, the starter. You finally post your first content. It might feel awkward, maybe even embarrassing. Views are low and engagement is scarce. But every post is mini training session. Your creative stamina is growing with every upload. Stage 3, creator, the experimenter. You start experimenting formats, captions, styles, and topics. Some posts you did not make it. Some surprise you. This is where you discover your unique voice and start understanding what resonates with your audience. Stage 4, creator, the gainer. Consistency begins to pay off. Your audience starts recognizing your style. Engagement improves and your confidence keep growing. You learn that small wins compound. Every share, save, and comment matters. Stage 5, creator, the creator who leads. As a leader, you have built trust and influence. Your content inspires, educates, or entertains on a bigger scale. You are now guiding others, collaborating, and creating with purpose rather than trying to go viral. The truth, no one skips stages. The fastest way is not luck. It's learning, experimenting, and showing up consistently. What stage of a creator you are now?